Hello everyone. Previously we seen the K-map examples. For the practice purpose, I will take the another 2-3 examples, and then I will give the some task for you, and that task will solve in your homework as well as in notebook also. Now I was taken the new example, that is the summation. Sorry, F ABCD summation M 1 3 7 8 10 12 13 15. Okay, here is the four variables, means you have to require to draw the 16 cell K map. That is the four variables. Input is the A, B, C, D. Here is the we put 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, here 0 0 A bar B bar, 0, that is the A bar B, A B, A B bar. Here C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. Okay, here we putting the cells, give the number 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, now you check the equation summation M 1 3 7 8 10 12 13 15. Now you put the value 1 3 7 8 10 12 13 15. Okay, we put it that all the values in here. Now you have to do the pairing. Here this is the first pair, here is the another one pair. No any chance for the quad and octet. Here also another one pair, and here is the another one pair we have to do. Okay, this is the four pairs. I will give the number 1, I will give the number here 2, this one is the 3, and this one is the 4. Okay, now go to the from 1, horizontally there is the y equal to A bar B bar, and vertically C bar C will be gets cancelled, means D, that is the for 1. Second, horizontally A bar A gets cancelled, means B, vertically C D. Third one, that is the A B, and vertically D bar D gets cancelled, C bar. Here horizontally you will take the A B bar, and vertically C bar D bar C D bar, that C bar C will be gets cancelled, D bar D bar. That is all about second, that is all about third, that is all about fourth. Okay, this is the equation about the this one. Now you have to draw the logical diagram. I will draw here. Here is the all terms, that is the A B C D, means here we taken for A, here we draw for the not get for the A, second one B, third one C, and last one, that is the D. Okay. Now the first one, that is the A bar, B bar, D. That is the NOT gate. A bar, B bar, and here is the D. Okay. Second one, B C D. That is the B, C, and D. Third one, A B C bar. That is the A, B, and here is the C bar. And fourth one, that is the A B bar D bar. That is the A, B bar, and here is the D bar. Okay, and this will be connected with a ring with each other. And this is our final logical diagram. Now we will take the one example about the don't care condition. The equation will be gives such type of equation. Yep. A B C D equal to, that is also SOP form, summation M 1 3 7 11 15. This is the given. Again the extended example, that is the summation D, that is D indicates that is the don't care, 0 2 5 8 14. Okay, that D, it will be indicates that is the don't care condition, and it will be in K-map noted as an X, that is the don't care condition. But by encircling that in group 1, we have forced X2 logical 1. Okay, firstly I will draw the K-map, and then I will clear the concept don't care conditions. Here is the 4 variables, means we have to require 16 cell K-map. Zero zero 01 11 10 00 01 11 10. Here is the A bar B bar, A bar B, A B, A B bar. Here C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. Okay, we will give the cell number 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, now we put the value, that is 1 3 7 11 15. 1 3 7 11 and 15. Now the step will be comes, that is the summation D, don't care conditions. It is the denoted by the X. 0 we'll put here don't care condition. 2 here also put the don't care. 5 here also we putting don't care. 8 here also putting don't care, and 14. Okay. Now don't care means it requires to use, then you use, otherwise it neglects, means don't care. The word itself says that don't care. It is required, then you use, otherwise it will be rejected. Here means you have to do the big group. In that case it is necessary to use, then you use, otherwise it will reject. Here is check x1 x means it is possibility to do the this 4 group, that is the quad group. Hence we prepared that and we used the don't care condition. Now here also one possibility is to doing the group, that is the this one. This is second group. Okay, remaining this one and this one, this is not necessary to use. Is it any here one, then it will be do the octet and some, but here is a not use, hence we rejected that, means that is the called as a don't care. Okay, now you reduce the equation, that is the first one, horizontally only a bar b bar, vertically all the terms will be gets cancelled, and second equation horizontally all the terms, that terms will be cancelled, vertically only c d. That is our final equation. Okay, now you draw the logical diagram, that is the a and b. Here also you can add not gate. Here is the AND gate, that is the a bar b bar, another one c and d. Here is the no any, that is the c d, and that will be connected with OR gate, that is the answer is the a bar b bar plus c d. Okay, I hope you cleared that concept. I will take another example. I will take the example of POS pump, that is the product of sum. Okay, the example is given F in bracket a b c equal to pi m, it will be indicated, that is the pi m 0 1 2 4 5, that is the product of sum. Here is only 3 variables. Previously we seen the 4 variable examples in SOP form. Here is the only 3 terms, means here we required only 3 variable came up, means 8 cells, that is the 2 raised to 3, that is the 8 cells, means it is the drawn by this type. This is the 8 cells. Okay, 3 inputs means we putting here only 1 input, remaining 2 here, 0 1, that is the a bar a, here is the 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, means b bar c bar b bar c b c b c. But in POS form, sorry, we putting here in POS form it will becomes b plus c. Okay, b plus c. I will draw the another one table here. A 0 1. In POS form, that 0 will be indicates without a bar. Okay, and 1 will be indicates bar. Okay, and this is the not correct. in BC, that is the, here we'll write 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0, means it will be right. 0 means it is the without bar, that is the B plus C. Here B plus C bar, here is the B bar plus C bar, that is the B bar plus C. Okay, I hope all of you cleared. This is opposite condition of SOP form. Now we put the values. Firstly we give the cell number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, our equation will be given, that is the pi m 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Now you put the values in the given KMM. 0 will be here. Okay, in POS form it will be whatever the given values you have to put as an 0. In SOP form we are putting 1. For 1 purpose 0, 2 purpose 0, 4 0, 5 0. Okay, now you have to do the group. This is the one group. Okay, you give the group number 1. Another one here, only single one. Here also one, means you have to do the pair. This one. Okay, this is the second number. Okay, now you write the equation. The first one, horizontally the terms will be gets cancelled. Vertically, the vertically comes, that is the B plus C and B plus C bar. Okay, and for the second purpose, that is the comes A, and vertically comes, that is the B plus C, B bar plus C. Okay, that terms will becomes. From first one only B terms will be gets, because C and C bar will be gets cancelled, hence that is the B for the y equal to. Okay, and this is second term. In second term A will be as it is, that is the A plus, here B gets cancelled, only C is remains, hence C. This is our final equation. Okay, that is the first one and this is the second one. Now you have to draw the logical diagram, very easy logical diagram. A plus C, that is the A and C is the OR gate. A and C, that is the A plus C, and B is the input, and the B will be connected as an AND, that is the B A plus C. This is the, and this is the steps. Actual here I will, in SOP and POS, SOP we are written as an summation m, here we writing pi m. In KMAP, in SOP form we are writing, when value will be present we writing 1, in here we getting the 0. Okay, in POS form here we taken B plus C, in SOP we are taken BC. Okay, here when 0 will be present, that is the without bar. In SOP when 0 will be given, here is the bar. That is the some basic requirements for the SOP and POS. I hope you clear that SOP examples as well as POS example. and we will go to the next example in next video. We will stop here. Thank you.